to,
Make bigger cabins.
no, we just have to get smaller furniture.
Yeah, you
Smaller
just get RV furniture instead.
Right. Right.
Make it look bigger.
That's what we'll do.
Just downsize everything.
Yeah, because I still have to have the jacuzzi tub. I still have to have everything like that.
Is there a thought, there's a thought that you could think about looking in the future for them,
Yeah,
having a jacuzzi tub that is also a shower.
that's what somebody else suggested here. I think
But the
Suzanne
jacuzzi's gonna be
suggested that.
smaller, you ain't gonna have your, but you can get tubs that are jacuzzis,
Yeah.
and you can also make it a shower.
The problem is there's a lot of guests that don't like that idea.
Well, then they can go rent off the inside.
All right.
I mean, you're gonna have to do something somewhere.
It's amazing when you don't have the lights, you can make a lot faster progress.
Right? Just
Just saying.
saying.
Just saying.
Microwave.
Nope, I don't have a way. If I did, it would be wrong.
Oh. What'd you do? Fire Brian? Charge the lead for a week so you